Welcome to Rapcity. We have plenty more entertainment happening tonight. This is the quarterfinals. Can everyone please make some noise for DJ Cut Loose and his fantastic musical selection. You could ask for nearly any song in the entire universe, and this guy is gonna have it. All right, now but don't. We have a saying when we work in nightclubs. If you have a request, please keep it to yourselves. Thank you very much. All right. I love it when girls come up and they're like, "Hey, can I have that new Rihanna song?" I'm like, "Sorry, what? You need to play this song." "Oh, okay. What do you do for a living?" "I work in a shoe shop." "I don't tell you how to sell shoes." Alright, anyway. Alright, we have epic DJ Cut Loose, Epic Moose Hunt versus Baby Blue. So this is the order. 1, 2, 3. Chris is last. Alright, Cut Loose. Oh! Your time starts on the drop. Lega. 8 seconds left. 2, 1. Blue, you're up. Lega. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop song. New song. Wait, hold on. Just time hasn't started yet. Time has started. Oh! Oh my! Kids, do not try that at home. 3, 2, 1. Chris, start. You're finished, there, Chris, you started. campsite. That was intense. Right, no one got it. Okay. Judges. 3, 2, 1, draw.